Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a Fennec Fox. So before we get started, feel free to like and subscribe and all that good stuff because it really helps out the channel a lot. And don't forget to leave me a comment to let me know what you'd like to see me draw next. Alright, so I'm going to start by his eyes. So I'm going to do like a little shape of a lemon pretty much. So this is just one eye here now, like that. I'm going to put a little circle in it, just to be like a little highlight in his eye. And then I can color the rest in dark. If you want to wait until the end to do any bit of coloring, that's fine. But I'm just going to color all this in black. Just like that. Alright, so now I'm going to do his other eye. So it's just going to be, it's not going to be the exact same because our Fennec Fox is going to be kind of pointing his face this way. So we're only going to see a bit of this eye. So it's kind of like a real squat up lemon. But I'm still going to put like a little circle in his eye and color the rest in dark. Okay. Now, we can give him his little nose, his muzzle. So we're going to come on out from the bottom part of that second eye we did and do a little line. And then almost give like a little triangle for a little nose. We can color that in dark too if you want. Okay, next we're going to come here from the bottom of that little triangle nose. And we're going to come on down and curve. And we're going to come up a little bit. And we're going to give him like a little mouth. Like that. And then I'm going to give him the bottom of his mouth. So we're just kind of following the lines we just made. And come down a little bit. And now I'm going to finish working on the top of his head here. So we're going to give him the side of his face here. We're going to give him some little floofy bits. So just like little lines. Side of his face. He's really, really fluffy and furry. Now, Fennec Foxes have huge, giant ears. So I'm going to draw a great big line coming up this way. And it's going to curve here at the top. It's going to come on down a bit, like that. One big giant ear. And so now the middle of his head here, I'm just going to do some little fluffy strokes of fur. And now this other ear. Great big line here, nice tall line. Curve at the top and come on down. Like that. And now I'm going to put a line like this here. We can kind of add some definition to the inside of his ear. So we've got some furry bits. He's got some hair on the inside of his ear. And do a little line like that. And then the real inside of his ear, the deep down on the inside of his ear is going to be dark. Alright, so I'm going to do a few more little fluffy bits of fur coming out from that ear. And we're going to do little lines like this to help us shape the rest of his head. Like that. Now, the rest of his body is kind of similar to like the shape of a cat's body. So we're going to draw him sitting down. But don't forget, we're doing little lines just to show the texture of his fur. So we can come on over this way. And your little lines can be up and down, doesn't matter. Come on down this way. Like that. And then in the front here, We're gonna do a few more bits of fur. Give him the front of his body. And let's see, we're coming on down. And now he needs his front leg. So do a straight line like that. And we're gonna give him a little paw. That's a furry little paw. And then his back leg, also very furry. So we're curving like this. And then his little back foot, very furry little back foot. And then we can do a line here. Add a bit of fur. And now right here, you see I didn't finish this line here and connect those because he needs his tail. So his tail is real fluffy. Like that. All right, so I'm done sketching out the fox and now I'm gonna add some color. And we're done our picture of the Fennec Fox. So I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a really, really good day. And I hope to see you back here next time for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everybody. Bye.